This is Joe, an iPhone lover. Among too many gadgets he had, this was very special as a gift from his parents. He used to note the entire major professional events on this Apple device. It was very helpful for his business development. But his iPhone fell from his hand suddenly and the screen became smashed. It was unfortunate trouble for him, and he started to find out the reliable technicians. He was updated his status by stating that the iPhone cracked screen repair service center near me on Facebook. His multiple friends suggested to contact iTech Xpress, the top electronic device repair service center, as the technicians apply a free diagnostic before starting any repair service. Joe scrolled down iTechXpress.com for relevant information. He became pleased by the satisfied customer reviews and went there. Within a few days, he got back his iPhone in a proper shape. If your iPhone screen has broken, to contact iTech Xpress soon. Dial 626-777-4747 to gather workable information.